Basic Appraisal Procedures, page 227. Value of the vacant land. Depreciation is a loss in value for any reason. Since the land itself is never said to depreciate, depreciation only affects the building or structure on the land. There are several methods of determining depreciation. One used for accounting purposes takes a set amount of depreciation as a loss each year during the useful life of a building. This is usually not equal to the actual number of years the building would be expected to last, and often does not consider actual wear. Rather, it is a form of tax benefit. This method of depreciation is not discussed here. Instead, the focus is on the age-life method, the breakdown method, and the market extraction method. The age-life method. Find the percent of depreciation by dividing the effective age by the total economic life of the building. Then multiply the total cost of the building by the percent of depreciation. This produces a depreciation amount for the building. Example: determine depreciation of a building costing $500,000 with an effective age of 10 years. The building has a total economic life of 50 years. Step number 1. Calculate the percent of depreciation as follows: effective age divided by total economic life equals percent of depreciation. So the effective age is 10, so you put 10, divided by 50, which is the total economic life, equals 0.20 or 20%. Step number 2. Multiply the cost of the building by the percent of depreciation. The building cost multiplied by the percent of depreciation equals depreciation amount. $500,000 is the building cost, multiplied by 20% equals $100,000. The breakdown method. A method of calculating the observed depreciation by breaking down the total depreciation into 3 categories. Let's look at the structure's depreciation by breaking the depreciation down. Physical deterioration is actual wear and tear on a property due to age, the elements, or other forces. A depreciation figure is calculated by taking the new price of the item and subtracting a percentage for wear and tear actually used. If an item must be replaced, the new cost is used. Example number 1. A furnace costs $5,000 new, and wear and tear makes it appear to have 20% of its life. The amount of depreciation, 20% of $5,000 for that item, is $1,000. Example number 2. The roof would cost $8,000, and it has been determined that 80% of its life has been used up. The amount of depreciation, 80% of $8,000, would be $6,400. From the age, these are extra notes. Extra note: from the age life, $173,000 is the replacement. 15 years is the, I think it's EA, effective age perhaps, and 60 years is the economic life. So 15 divided by, that's the effective age, divided by 60, which is the total economic life, equals 20%. And you do the second half of it, and your answer should be $34,600.